Seagulls are very loud birds, and they use different calls to warn, protect food, and talk to each other. Seagulls really steal food from humans. They learned that beaches and cities are full of easy snacks. Here's something weird. Many seagulls can drink salt water. They have special glands near their eyes that remove extra salt from their bodies. And some seagulls are smart enough to drop shellfish onto rocks just to crack them open for food. So seagulls are loud, clever, and tiny food thieves too.